Hey, what's up, everybody? Wes Adams here with Autodesk. We're on the GDC show floor, GDC 2013, and I'm talking to Patrick Flanagan, lead 3D programmer for ISOTX. Patrick, you just came off a presentation at the Autodesk booth. What were you showing us today?
Well, I talked a little bit about how we integrated Scaleform into our game, showed some gameplay trailers of where we came from. We started out with sort of a split personality game. We did a game that had a 2D element on a website and then a 3D element launched via the Unity web player. And so, you kind of had to switch back and forth as you were playing the game. So with the new game, we're using Scaleform. We sort of re-implemented all of the web stuff inside Scaleform in the game now. And so we have like one unified experience. So I was talking a little bit about sort of how we did it, some design choices we made, some of the programming hurdles that we ran into and overcame, and just sort of why we ended up using it in the first place.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit more about your tool set, all the stuff you use, beginning to end. What goes into making your game?
Well, we're using Unity for the engine. We're using Scaleform, obviously, for a lot of the UI and HUD elements and stuff. We're using something called WebSync, which is from Frozen Mountain. It's for multiplayer and networking and that kind of stuff. We do our chat in that. We do our modeling with Maya. So we have kind of a mix of different tools, and it's sort of a hodgepodge of things, whatever we need to get stuff done.
And to make it all work together, do you guys do a lot of custom tool development in-house or tool tweaking?
We build some stuff. Like we have our terrain editor for building maps and stuff. That's all custom tools that we built. Some stuff is off the shelf, like Maya obviously, and Frozen Mountain, we didn't really modify that at all. So it's kind of a mix and match. If we need something, we'll build it. But if something exists, we'll use that.
What do you think some of the hurdles that mobile and casual developers are facing right now?
Well, one of the cool things about being a casual and mobile developer is that you get a lot of freedom, and it's a lot less smaller teams to make a game. You kind of have more creativity. But one of the downsides is it's a lot hard to be discovered and get the word out about your game because there's so many games like that. And so it's kind of a challenge to have people find out about your game and to stay up to date and stay interested in that kind of stuff.
And speaking about that, where can people go to find your game?
It's ISOTX.com, ISOTX.com. And so we have like screenshots and trailers, and all the latest news about our game is on there.
And when do you expect to be releasing your game?
We're hoping to release it in July.
Okay, great. So check out the website. Waiting on a July release. Very excited. Patrick, thank you for joining us. And if you guys want to see more from the GDC show floor, you can head over to area.autodesk.com/GDC 2013. Thanks.